like to ask you, okay, a few words about this product and how you find your being here. So,
it's truly an honor first and foremost to be chosen to be the brand ambassador and endorser for Grand Videoke, because as I said earlier, it's something that really touches close to home, because before Araneta, before I even did Showtime, puro Videoke lang talaga. Doon ko lang, kasi at doon ako nakaka 100.
wow!
In all fairness, may score akong 100. So, that's where you build your confidence to be able to perform, diba? And now, of course, for people who love to sing like me, you get to do it in the comfort of your own home. You have a choice of 5,157 songs. And aside from that, as you heard earlier, it's not your typical video sounding music. It's very close to the real thing. It has instruments, you have backup vocals. Parang ka talaga nag-concert in your own home.
May applause pa.
At may applause, diba? And pwedeng on cue yung applause mo. Applause. Meron siya dito. Applause. Ay, magdapagdag pala. Applause. So, and to be part of a family that, you get to inspire and encourage other people and families to go and sing your heart out, regardless if you really are a singer or not, diba? You can be a total and grand performer